Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can automatically copy of one cell data into another cell in MS Excel. If you have not subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. So working with MS Excel, most of the time we need to copy one cell data into another cell. For this purpose, we need two options. The first one, developer tab, you need to active developer tab, then insert text box. So moving towards MS Excel, suppose I want to create a copy of this cell data into another cell. Go to here developer option. For developer option you need to go to file, then options, customize ribbon. Here is developer option, check this one and click OK. Developer option has been created here. Developer tab, click on developer tab, then go to insert and here is text box, click on it. Draw a checkbox here, suppose. Right click on this text box, go to properties. So here is linked cell option, this one. You need to just copy the address of that cell. Suppose I want to copy this one. This is D5. I will type here D5, the address of source cell. So exact copy has been created. I want to change for Jack. So in this way you can create a copy of any cell into another cell. Thanks guys for watching and learning.